Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon PIXMA TR4755i. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. After you install the ink cartridges, load paper and align the cartridges, the next thing to do is for you to connect the printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone, or you connect it with your computer or whichever device you want to use. First of all, put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to select this setup button. So go to the printer and select this button. It will show you setup mode. Then use right arrow or left arrow, go to Wi-Fi setup, then select OK. Wi-Fi setup, easy wireless connect. Then select OK. Processing. Follow the instruction on the PC or smartphone. Take your phone, if you are using computer, URL website, or use your phone to scan the QR code. So if you take your phone, you scan the QR code, or you go to Google Play Store to install Canon Print app. So this is QR code for my phone. So take the QR code, then scan this QR code, and the QR code is captured. Open link. Then it will show you the printer. Select Start Setup. Then select Set up a new printer. If you are setting the printer up for the first time, then it will show you Download, Get Play Store. So you need Canon Print app, Set up new printer, Android. So select Canon Print app is the app you need. So select Install. So the app is getting ready. It's installing. You also need to make sure you have enough space to install this app. You can go to your phone's settings, then go to storage and see that you have enough MB space to install the app. So the app is installing. So the app is installed. Select Open to open the file. To use this app, the following permissions are required. So you need to make sure you have storage permission, precise location permission, and nearby device. So select Yes. Then go to Permissions. Then make sure you allow location, nearby device, and photo. I also allow camera in case if you want to use your phone to scan documents and send it to the printer to print out. So I usually allow camera access. Select Allow only while using this app. So the camera is allowed. Location, allow while using this app. Then you go back. Location is allow. Nearby device, allow. Then go back. I also like to put photos and videos. Select Allow. Then go back. So you will see that the 4 items are allowed using this app. Then you go back to the main screen of the app. So go back to the app. So this is the main app. Then you select Search to look for the printer. We show you, please wait momentarily. So it's searching for the printer. When the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect the printer. Then you select Next. So it's searching for the device. The printer is found Canon IJ81058 TR4700 series. Select Connect. Connected and processing. So it's processing. So the printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. Then it will ask you to enter password. So I'm going to put the password. You need to make sure you have the password information here. So I'm going to type the password. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Once you are happy, so select OK. Communicating with the printer. So it will save the information. This may take 150 seconds to connect. So if you go to the printer, it will show you connecting. Easy wireless connected. Then you select OK. So the printer is connected. But you need to wait for the process to complete on your mobile phone. So the printer is connected to network, but we need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile device. Then it will show you this. Try this out. I'm going to close this. Do you want to save network information? If you select save, so it will save the network information, and the printer is online TR4700 series. So this is the app, and from this app you can print documents, can print photos, scan document, smartphone copy, cloud, creative pack, and etc. So I want us to print document to confirm. So select document print. It will show you documents or photos. Select documents. Select the document you want to print out. This is the document I want us to print out, one-page document. Then you select next. Then select change settings. Select number of copies. The size A4, same as original, plain paper. We want to print it in color, two-sided, simplest. Then go back and select print. This is the document we printed out, and also it will show you on the phone printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then you can go back to the home page. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.